Our Sydney Odyssey begins at Bondi Beach, where the sun's grand entrance is your cue to start the day. Here, the ocean's rhythm sets the pace for early risers, surfers carving waves and locals jogging along the coastal walk. It's not just a beach, it's Sydney's wake-up call, complete with a kaleidoscope sky. Elevate your Sydney experience, quite literally, with a climb over the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This isn't just about the view, it's about the journey. Each step up this iconic structure offers a new perspective of the city, culminating in a 360-degree panorama that stretches from the Blue Mountains to the sea. It's a blend of thrill and beauty, a perfect metaphor for Sydney itself. Escape the urban rush in the Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney's verdant heart. Stroll through themed gardens, each a chapter in nature's playbook. From the tranquility of the fernery to the vibrant colours of the rose garden, it's a place where the city's pace slows to the rhythm of nature. It's an oasis of calm, a stone's throw from the hustle and bustle. Delve into Sydney's past and present with a visit to the Rocks. This historic precinct, with its cobbled lanes and colonial architecture, is now a hotspot for foodies. From street food markets to high-end dining, it's a taste of Sydney's rich culture and culinary diversity. Here, every meal tells a story, blending history with modern Australian cuisine. No day in Sydney is complete without a visit to its most iconic landmark, the Sydney Opera House. Whether you're catching a performance or simply admiring the sails up close, it's a must-see. As the sun sets, the Opera House comes alive, its silhouette a beacon in the harbour night. It's the perfect finale to your Sydney adventure. That concludes our Sydney adventure. We've frolicked on the beach, ascended the bridge, ambled through the gardens, savoured history, and wrapped it all up with an iconic finale. Sydney is a city that never ceases to captivate, and this is merely a sneak peek of what it proudly boasts. And if you enjoyed this sneak peek of Sydney, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting adventures around the globe.